Here's some business advice that's blindingly obvious once you know it. Now, I don't want to throw shade on any specific social media influencer, but what I do know is that there are people out there with 10 times more followers than me, 50 times more followers than me, 100 times more followers than me, who are struggling financially. They're struggling financially because they're focusing on the wrong stuff. If you're using social media as a business development tool, sure, covet the fans, covet the followers, try to get people to engage, but at the end of the day, your mission comes down to this one goal. Are you ready? Build the followers, build the fan base, get the engagement, but at the end of the day, your goal is to get your future customers and clients off social media and into your business. This is the difference between people that have huge followings and struggle and people that don't have very big followings at all and are doing perfectly fine. So in our world, we generate 30 leads for every 1,000 followers that we have on a platform like TikTok in any given month. So 1,000 followers on TikTok translates to 30 leads in any given month. At this point in time, I think we've got about 5,000 followers, maybe 4,000, 4.5. You do the maths. 5 times 30, 150. There are business owners out there that struggle to get any leads in any given month. If you could get 30 leads, could you convert just one? So what do we do to get our fans and our followers and our connections and our contacts off social media and into our business? Well, there are two things that we do in tandem. The first is our content rhythms framework, and the second is our lead capture gateway, which is an off-ramp. Let's talk about the content rhythms first. This is a structure that we use in any given week. This is really helpful for social media. It's really helpful for email marketing planning as well too. And it goes like this. Are you ready? Monday, bust a myth. Tuesday, give a gift. Wednesday, tell a story. Thursday, reveal a tactic. Friday, call to action. Shall I say it again? Monday, bust a myth. Tuesday, give a gift. Wednesday, tell a story. It could be a story about you. It could be a case study about a client. Thursday, reveal a tactic. Friday, call to action. And what's really cool about this framework is that you can run it on social media and repurpose it in a bunch of different ways. This could be the framework that you use in your Facebook group. This is the framework that we use to run our emails throughout the week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And it just helps us provide value in a way that's also constantly going to be helping us promote our own business. Bust a myth, talk about the parts of the business that your customers and clients struggle with. Give a gift, get people into your database. Wednesday, tell a story, case study, or a story about you, build rapport, build trust. Thursday, tactic, educate. Friday, call to action, rinse and repeat, do it again and again and again. So what's the second part of the equation? The second part is the lead capture gateway. Now that is our off-ramp. And that's the strategy that we use to get our future customers and clients off social media and into our business. If you'd like to see an example of that, click on the link in my bio. Now, we're getting a lot of traffic on this site at the moment and our server times are suffering a little bit. So click the link in the bio, count to 10 seconds and see what comes up. On the other side of that link is going to be something a little bit special. That there is an example of a lead capture gateway, and that is our mechanism to get future customers and clients off social media. So that's what I want you to be thinking about. Stop obsessing about the fans and the followers and the connections, because at the end of the day, it's not how many fans and followers you have, it's whether they are relevant to you, relevant to your industry, whether they are a targeted audience interested in what you do and the problems that you solve, and whether or not you have a mechanism to get those future customers and clients off social media into your business. If you're going to obsess about anything, obsess about the off-ramp.